Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So, if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So, let's get started. My dear friends, as you can clearly see on the chart, that there is not much activity going on. After the market opening, we were hoping yesterday that during the US session or European session, we would get some moves, but sadly, market is trading inside the range. My dear friend, if you are looking for detailed analysis, if you are new to the channel, then please watch the video that I uploaded on Saturday so that you can understand how we have derived these levels and the important levels for the week. So, gold is standing right now at 1873.34. So, as per the Fibonacci, the resistance on the chart of gold is around 1882. This is the resistance on the chart of gold. Temporary resistance, not a very strong resistance, and support around 1860 to 1861. This is the range for gold right now. Okay, and gold is trading inside this range only. This is the 4 hours time frame, and you can see that after this massive drop, gold is in consolidation right now, and which is quite normal also. Any market of the world, okay, after a big move goes into consolidation. And if you look at the news, then you can see gold edges up on softer dollar. Investors eye Powell's comments. Gold prices edge up on Tuesday, helped by a slight pullback in the dollar, with investors eyeing Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell's speech later in the day to gauge the US Central Bank's monetary policy path. In simple words, today we have speech from Jerome Powell. So my dear friends, please be careful during the news or during the speech because market will witness some volatility. This is the forexfactory.com and you can see here Fed Chair Powell speaks. So please be careful during the speech and be careful especially with your open US dollar positions. Okay, all the US dollar positions. If you look at the chart of DXY, then DXY was very bullish yesterday and right now is going for some consolidation. Okay, maybe after some consolidation, after a little pullback, DXY will try to go up again. Right now, the next support on the chart of DXY is around 103, the 200 moving average, which was previously the resistance. Hopefully, the same moving average will now act as a support. If DXY comes back and bounces, we can look for some support around the 200 moving average. Overall, DXY is bullish right now. Though we are seeing some red candles, we can consider these red candles as just a form of pullback. Okay, now let's get back to gold. So if you look at the gold on higher time frame, then we have got nothing. But if we move to the 1 hour time frame, okay, 1 hour time frame, then we can see a sideways market or a range bound market. Okay, and my dear friends, if you're looking for signals, then please watch the last part of the video where I'll be talking about chart break. Okay, now see the range of gold is 1884 or 1882. This is the range of gold. So consider the market like that only. If market goes up, observe the market around this area. As you can see, the market is also approaching the blue line, the 50 moving average here. Observe the market around this area. In case it breaks also 1884 level or 1885, reaches 1885, just observe the market because market may go up, may go for some SL hunting and come back again. If it does that, you can initiate a sell position. If you see price rejection from above, if you see market forming shooting star pattern, if you see market showing good price rejection from above, bearish engulfing pattern, you can go for a sell position. In case the correction on DXY becomes very strong, DXY forms big red candles, in that case do not take sell position because market will be going up. In that case, you can wait for the market to hit the second resistance of 1898 to 1903. This is the second resistance on the chart of gold right now. So before the speech of Powell, Okay, I'm not talking about the speech of power, because market may witness extreme volatility during news or events. We know it very well that technicals levels usually do not work. So these levels will also fail or may fail during the event if market shows extreme volatility. So these levels are only applicable before the speech of Powell only. Okay. So if market goes up, then the second resistance will be around this level. If you see market reversing, you can go for a sell position. I don't think so market will be breaking 1903 before the news, because right now market does not have that kind of strength also to break the levels. I don't know what Powell will say, what kind of impact the news will the speech will bring to the market, but as of now there's a good chance that market will be reversing from this resistance, because the the level of 1882 1884 we have derived from the Fibonacci 0.236, which is not a very strong level, but this is a considerably, this is a good level. Not only we have Fibo 38.2%, plus we have also previous price rejection around this area. Okay, so as a result, this level should work before the news pretty well. On the other hand, in case market starts falling, then before news we have a good support around 1842 to 1843. This is a good support zone before the news. But in case market shows good sell, then the level will be 1827 to 1825. This is the second support on the chart of gold right now. See, 1860 to 1861, 62, that is also a support, but that is not a proper support. That is just a temporary support made by the market. In case during the day, listen to me carefully. In case during the day market comes to the support zone and bounces, you can go for a quick buy position. Okay, that is for day traders mostly. But that level does not have much strength. So in case market starts falling, then obviously you will be looking for a support, next support. So the next support will be around 1842-43. Now the question comes, does this level have the strength to hold the market in case of news? I will say this level has a strength of around 60% to hold the market in case of a news, and the level of 1827 to 1825 has a strength of 80% to hold the market in case market falls after the news also, because 1827 to 1825 is a much stronger level in comparison to 1842 to 43. In case market drops also today, I think market should not cross 1827 to 25. Okay, this is my analysis. I can be wrong as well. So please follow your risk management, do your own research as well. Bye bye, take care, see ya tomorrow, and be careful, do not gamble with your hard-earned money, and watch the next part of the video. A big shout out to Chart Prime, who has sponsored the today's video, and Chart Prime is also one of the best custom indicator service in the trading world right now. Chart Prime has been designed for serious traders only, because along with buy and sell signals, you can also use the available tools on Chart Prime for additional confirmation. This is the 1 hour chart of Euro USD, and you can see there are various signals generated by this tool. Possible reversal up means you can go for a buy position. Possible reversal down means it's time to go for a sell position. My dear friends, no indicator, no trader is 100% accurate in the world, but Chart Prime is really doing a very good job. So if you follow proper risk management, then yes, sky is the limit for you. Personally, I have been using Chart Prime for a few months, and their result is very, very good. And along with all the tools of Chart Prime, they also have a community on Discord where they post regular trading ideas. And the best part about Chart Prime is that their rates are very, very reasonable. In fact, less than half in comparison to the other service providers in this trading community. So my dear friends, initially you can simply go for a 1 month subscription and try out the product yourself, backtest, use it, okay, and just see. I'm very much sure that you will love the product. I'll add the link in the description so that you can get additional 30% discount. Okay, you can also scan the code on the screen for faster registration. Make sure to check them out.